What's up, you guys? With my brother Liam, who's a baby. That's why there's no clothes on except for his diaper. Oh, no, you can't take the camera. So today, or not today, yesterday, I just got a kitten. She's very tired, so she loves to take naps. Very chill. Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. Can I get your face? There you go. Yeah, she's awake. Want to say hi?
Huh?
Hey, you. Say hi, Liam.
Hi.
See? You do it. Liam, say please.
Please.
He says P for please. No?
Okay.
Say no. Okay.
Okay.
Liam, no.
He.
No.
He.
No.
He.
No.
This. Here. Here. This.
No.
Here.
She is out like a label. No hand, I will follow. No hand, I will follow. And I love him. But yeah. This one, like I know, she's probably gonna be in most of my vlogs and videos. So yeah, let me know if you want that in the comments down below. I know this is only a 1 minute and 60 seconds video, or 2 minutes, sorry, but you know, it kind of has to happen. Okay, I'm recording on my phone. It's minimum like time, I think, maybe. Who knows? I don't know. So yeah. But we're trying to vlog the most. If it ends by the time like I'm talking, there will be a part 2, definitely. So yeah. Liam's binky fell. If you're new to this channel, I forgot to do my intro. If you are new to this channel, make sure you like, turn on notifications, subscribe, and yeah. I will put my cat's TikTok down below. And yeah. Oh yeah, her name is Nala from Lion King. Let me know if you ever saw that. Comment below. And we're gonna paint her nails. Guess what color you guys probably saw? What is pink? It's not look pink in the camera, but wait, pink. Sorry, Nala. Oh, Jesus. It's pink. I can see it now. So yeah. My house is a mess. I am sorry, but my brother and the crazy. Oh, he has the hairdryer. I knew expect. Oh yeah, today I tried to give her a bath. It did not go out well. And I tried to dry it, that did not go well. Hey, yeah. So if you're wondering why there's scratch marks right here, that's why. And then got me on my hand pretty good on my face. You cannot see. It's my ring finger face. And then I have to wrap up soon. So yeah. Um, yeah. Anyway, have a good day, y'all. I say y'all. Just have a positive day. And on that note, I will see you every single Tuesday. I will post every Tuesday, or at least I will try to. I post on other days because Tuesday I have to do stuff. But I know I'm camping and I will film that trip. But after all, hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day. And yeah, goodbye. Oh, I'm just kidding, you guys. If you have made it this far, make sure you like if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And that will be it. You guys want to see me talk without moving my lips? Just doing this, like crouching my lips like this and talking, ready? Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be talking about a cat I just got yesterday. I'm surprised because my other cat died. Sadly, yeah. Goodbye.